Another stance that we have is the crouching stance. So for the crouching stance, we come down, and then we'll step in and do that to the opposite side. Warming up all the muscles, stretching things out. We have our crouching stance. And then another exercise for the crouching stance is to drop to one side and then going up and down, up, down, up, down, up, and down, and then side to side. And this is a great way to condition the legs, get used to the stances that we find in this Tai Chi form. And then coming up